Being prepared for the job interview does not mean that you will know how to answer each and every question. It means that you should have a clear understanding of what you should and shouldn't say during the job interview. A job interview is one of those times when sharing too much information isn't going to help you. In fact, sharing too much could cost you a job offer. Be conservative and keep the focus on your skills and qualification for a job. Firstly, do not reach late for the interview. If you do not let your interviewer get to know about it. Sorry, I am late is the worst sentence you can begin your interview with, as it goes without saying that punctuality is the key. Do not give a bad image of yourself by saying this and letting them know about your delay. Do not lie about anything, as if you get caught, you are left nowhere. Even if you do not get caught the very moment, it may backfire in the future. So always try to be honest in everything you are being asked. Never make the mistake of saying anything bad about your ex-colleagues or ex-boss or your job. It gives a poor image of you and you look like a complainer. You can always talk about the challenges you faced, but the focus should be on the positive aspect of it. No matter how much you like the interviewer's watch, shirt, glass or whatever, never start complimenting him or her on the first go. It looks like you are flattering them in order to get the job. Do not make the situation awkward and avoid complimenting them. When asked the question, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Do not answer by saying working in the same company at your position. Do not threaten the interviewer on his position. Just say, I want to see myself growing and learning a lot from the experience I will gain from this job, which will help me reach higher in future. I want a job. Do not show your desperation for a job. Relate your interest and your strength with the job profile you are applying for. Tell them what makes you interested for this job. Do not make them feel that you applied for the profile only because that's what you are getting. On being asked your weaknesses, do not start telling them a list of your weaknesses. Tell them about one weakness which is not related to the job and twist it in such a way that it turns out to be your strength. Tell them about a weakness and let them know how you worked on it. And now it is no more a weakness. Just in order to make the interview interactive, do not start asking unreasonable questions like what perks will you get, how often you guys got promotions, how much will be my salary, how much vacation time do I get, because these questions are not supposed to be put up so early. Give a break to your level of curiosity. Do not make the mistake of being frank as well. Do not share all your plans with the interviewer. Do not start telling them everything when you come in the flow of talking. Make sure you tell them what they want to hear. Tell them you want to gain experience, but not why you want to gain experience. Keep a control on your tongue. So in addition to these 10 tips or 10 points, before attending the interview or before preparing for the interview, check the company's profile and other details on internet before you attend the interview. That shows you that you are pretty interested and have done a bit of research and development. If you are having any queries, please write to me. Thanks for listening. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for continuous support. Thank you.